Hello guys and welcome. Today's video will be about Gumroad. Gumroad is a platform that allows creators to sell digital products like ebooks, music, art, and software directly to their audience. It's a great choice for creators who want an easy and affordable way to sell their products online. So let's head to the website and create our account. The creation of the account is very easy. So after clicking on the website, here we have the 3D, the design, the drawing and painting, software development, fitness and health, self-improvement, music and sound design, photography, and others. Scroll down. With Gumroad, anyone can earn their first dollar online. Click on Start Selling. Join over this number of creators who have earned over. Okay, I should say this number. We have 802,257,267 on Gumroad selling digital products and memberships. So you can connect it with Facebook, Twitter, Stripe, email. You can just create your account by using an email and a password. So let's put our email. So I'll be looking for my email because I didn't memorize it. So here, I don't think I have my email copied here. So wait, here I brought my email and a password. Of course, I'm not using the suggested password from Google. It's hard to remember. And you click create account. Of course, the Facebook way is the easiest. We have a verification here. Select an image with traffic lights. We have traffic lights here. Those are far. Okay. Now let's create our account. Okay, I failed the first one. Oh, I missed the two bicycles up there. Okay, I'm bad. The robots will not fail as many as I did. So be logical. Is this part counted? I don't think so. Finally. No. Okay. I'm bad at this. Okay, I'm sure. Let's verify now. And just wait. Don't click create. Password has previously appeared in data breach as per heyvpn.com and should be never be used. Why? Wait. I use this password a lot. How is becoming dangerous? Did I make it? No. Okay, let's use the password suggested by Google. Okay, Google, can you hide my password and not show it to anyone? Thank you. Just kidding. I will change it later. Bridges. Okay, we are done with stairs and traffic lights. Let's do bridges. Okay, finally. The creation of the account took me more than a year. You already signed in? Welcome to Gumroad. Upspell has arrived. We have here to help get paid for works. Create your first product. You can get started here. Customize your profile. Create your first product. Make your first sale. Let's start with customizing your profile. So one of the biggest benefits of Gumroad is its simplicity, like we saw. Okay, forgot the inscription thing. So it's easy to set up and use even if you are not particularly tech savvy. You can create product page, upload your product files, set a price, and start selling in just few minutes. So my name will be Madara. I will not embarrass myself to put my name because I didn't even make it while creating the account. So the bio, I am a human. Just to know. Okay, human. The logo, okay, keep this, it's good. The social links, Twitter, the design, and background colors here. And the products. We have the team, the passwords. Yes, I have to change it now, but I will forget. We have where are you located? Valid government is photo ID. Ah, I have to check. That's I'm a human again by proving that I live here. I have proof of residence within this country. If I'm signing up as a business, it's registered in the country above. Can I skip this? Yes, I can. So get your first follower, get paid, and many other things. Here we have the product, the checkout, the post, the audience, the analytics, the payout, the discovered library. You can get help from here. You can log out from here. The settings, the user detail, the notification from email and mobile and desktop. So we have the support, local language English, time zone, dollar. You can change it here and we hit to advanced settings. Custom your domain. So people can find your website from here. Mass block emails. We have affiliate, ping, applications, and danger zone. Delete your Gumroad account. Here is where to delete. So let's head to the most important thing, the payment. And you should check your ID and your all your information before heading to the payments. So the thing to do now is uploading your first product. Okay, as I said, it's quite simple. You add the name of the product, the type, and the price, and you customize it. So we should put a name, a type, a music. No, where is the music thing? Audiobook. Okay, price. Okay, I clicked random numbers. Don't worry, I won't share this. Okay, they shared my things. Describe your product. Good, good. I forgot the D. Not the D. The D in good. Very good. That's it. We have the URL again. Now, let's add more. This is it. Add the cover. You should upload the image, the thumbnail, the product info. I want this. Buy this. Pay. Summary. You will get. Hi. Additional details. Color. White. So those are just an example. So here the integration. Pricing. Okay, let's delete a 5 here. Allow customers to pay what they want. Suggested amount. Okay, this is good. I will be rich if this sold. Just kidding. So here, limit product sale, allow customer to choose the quantity and other settings. So this is how your selling will appear. So that's it. I think we are done here. Yes, this is how to sell on Gumroad. I mean Gumroad. I think I have been pronunciated wrong the whole video. So, okay. You save and continue and your product will be sold. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.